Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have a smart and sassy top for summertime that you can wear dressy for dinner or even for business. It's flattering and comfortable. I think you're definitely going to want this top. This beautiful floral top is from Laqeyko. I'm wearing a size large. The fabric is very lightweight but not transparent. That tie on the shoulder is fully adjustable, so you can tie it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. I like the bottom of this shirt because it's a little bit wider at the bottom, so it sits well on my hips. I have a curvy body type, and so I don't want it to be a boxy top, but I don't want it to be too snug on the bottom. And I find that this one is fitting me really well. I think it will look great with a skirt or pants. So here you can see it's a little bit wider, so that's why it's flattering. The colors are beautiful. I like the little cap sleeve on one side. There is no stretch to this fabric, but it hangs beautifully. And again, this is the shoulder that you can tie as tight or as loose as you want. It's unusual and sassy. I think it's going to become a real staple in my summer closet. You could even throw a jacket over it and make it last another season. I'm so happy I got this top. It's got a flattering design, the open neck with the one shoulder. It's got a really pretty feel to the fabric. It hangs well. So it's a beautiful top. The colors are brilliant. It's well made and it's flattering. And that is my point of view.